Hey guys, welcome to our video studio, our home studio. Lacey's back there on the camera and our teleprompter back there. And today I'm recording some videos and I wanted to show you how on your own, in your own studio, you get a bright white backdrop like that. So we're going to be shooting today with this white backdrop and I wanted to show you how we did that. So I think the most common misconception that people do is that they actually want to they try to light up the white backdrop as much as possible, but then they make the mistake of standing in that lighting. So I'm stepping back into this lighting and I'm right next to the backdrop. So that's actually going to do the opposite of what you want it to do. When you are lit up the same amount as your backdrop, you're going to start to see all these flaws and wrinkles. And you're also going to see that this isn't bright white. It's kind of a grayish color. And that's because you're in the same amount of lighting as that. What you want to do is you actually want to blast this with twice as much light. So I have two lights in here, as you can see, and then I'm going to have only one light on me. And when I step out of this lighting and into that one light, you're going to see how that backdrop turns to bright white. Isn't that wild? It turned to totally bright white. You can't even see any of the flaws, and it's no longer that like gray. You can kind of see down there because it's not lit as well, but it's no longer that like gray off-white color that you don't want in your videos. So that is how you do it on your own. Light up your backdrop twice as much as you're lit up, and that's how you get a bright white backdrop. Also make sure to not stand too close to it, so step forward and get a little space between you and the backdrop. And if you want more resources and more photography tips, make sure you subscribe here on my YouTube channel or go to maggiekirkland.com for even more photo resources.